Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, launched a new scheme and the name of the scheme is Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. What is the important features of this scheme and what are the content of this scheme? Let's see its content. Under this scheme, first of all, you should remember that this scheme has been launched in the Khagaria district of Bihar today, that is 20th June, Saturday, and it has been launched through video conference. Important point is that to implement this campaign or abhiyan, the Ministry of Rural Development is the nodal ministry and they will implement it in close coordination with the state governments. Why this scheme has been launched? This scheme has been launched with the intention to provide livelihood opportunity to those migrants who have returned to their native state, like they have returned to Bihar from Maharashtra, etc. And at the same time, this will also provide livelihood opportunities to similarly affected rural citizen, that is someone affected by floods, etc. Okay, the second point you must remember that it is only for the rural citizen, not for urban citizen. The total cost of the project is 50,000 crore rupees and it will be implemented in a mission mode in 125 days in 116 districts of 6 स्टेट, यानी कि 6 राज्यों की 116 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये 125 दिन में ये प्रोग्राम इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाएगा. वो कौन कौन से स्टेट हैं, नाम याद रखना होगा हमें. बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, झारखंड एंड उड़ीसा. ओके, अब चलते हैं अगले स्लाइड की तरफ. व्हाट इज द पर्पज ऑफ दिस स्कीम? टू प्रोवाइड लाइवलीहुड टू रूरल सिटीजन, बट एट द सेम टाइम it will try to create public infrastructure and livelihood opportunity through building public infrastructure like roads, housing, Anganwadis, Panchayat Bhavan, etc. that has a community complex and other such schemes. And this will provide to livelihood to each migrant worker and according to his or her skill in the coming days. What kind of jobs are allowed here? Almost 25 kinds of work activity have been allowed here, like construction of community sanitation center, construction of Gram Panchayat Bhavan or any other work allowed under the 14th Finance Commission Fund, National Highway Works, water conservation and harvesting work, wells, plantation works, horticulture and similar other project you can, like BharatNet, PM Urja Ganga project, District Mineral Foundation Trust. This is very important. District Mineral Foundation Trust, construction of cattle sheds, construction of poultry sheds, construction of even under the railway they can be employed. So this is the Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan. Thank you so much.